Hello and welcome to the GP Tech channel. I'm not a real human, but I'm here to guide you through an exciting journey today. My image was created using MidJourney, a cutting-edge AI tool that is changing the face of digital design. And the words you're hearing now, they were crafted using ChatGPT, one of the most powerful language models out there. You'd be surprised at how smart and intuitive AI can be these days. But that's not all. The voice you're hearing right now is from ElevenLabels, a state-of-the-art voice generator that can make even the most mundane script sound captivating. And the video you're watching? That's all thanks to D850, an innovative video platform that brings together AI and creativity. So why am I here? I'm here to show you how to create your own version of this video. Yes, you heard that right. You can use these same AI tools to create stunning videos just like this one. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. So what are you waiting for? Join me on this AI-powered adventure and discover how you can create your own masterpiece. Let's have some fun together.
So let's recreate the whole process. First, we need an image. So for this, we will be going to use the MidJourney. If you don't have an account already, click on Join the Beta. It will take you to the Discord server. I have already joined the Discord server, so that I won't be doing this step. But you will have to do it if you don't have an account. Once you are on the Discord server, simply find one of the newbies channels. So let's click on this. So these are different images that people are generating right now. Now, to create an image, you need a prompt. The MidJourney has a special syntax for the prompt. Write/imagine, and then you provide the prompt. So I'm going to be using this prompt. A medium shot of a white woman wearing a red t-shirt captured with a Nikon D850. So basically, we describe what we want the image to look like. Then in terms of what camera type to use with different parameters. And then the lighting conditions are here, and then the different aspect ratio. So let's run this. This will take some time, so we'll have to wait. Okay, so MidJourney has generated 4 potential images. Let me actually explain what's going on here. U1, U2, U3, and U4 are showing the image numbers. V1, V2, V3, and V4 are showing the image variations. So you can choose one of them, and it will generate 4 more based on that. But now, let's say we want to use one of them and simply upscale it. So upscale is basically making it bigger. So I want to use the first one. Okay, so it will start upscaling it. So it will again take some time. Okay, so it is done upscaling the image. Let's simply save the image. So now, let's move on to the second step. So next, we go to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to create a script for this video by providing the outline of the video. So it came up with a script. All you have to do is copy this script, and we will use ElevenLabels to create the narration. ElevenLabels, you don't have to sign up to test it, but the audio you can usually generate is pretty small. So go ahead, and sign up if you want longer audios. Okay, so all I did was copy the text over here in the ElevenLabels and let's select Bella. You can change different voice settings. I will keep them to default. And let's click Generate.
Hello and welcome to the GP Tech channel. I'm not a real human, but I'm here to guide you through an exciting journey today.
Okay, so it has finished generating the audio. Let's download it. Alright, so we are done with our audio section as well. Now let's move to D850 for creating our video. So again, in the D850 platform, you can click on a free trial or make your account to create videos. Okay, so I will click on Create Videos. Let me add another avatar. So that's the one that we're going to be using. They have some pre-built avatars as well that you can choose from. But I uploaded the one that we just created with MidJourney. Okay, now the other option is in terms of the audio, you can type in the script. They have a few voices you can use that are pretty nice. You can change the style as well. Assistant or cheerful. There is a friendly voice as well. But let's upload our own audio that we created using ElevenLabels. Let's wait for it to upload.
Hello and welcome to the GP Tech channel. I'm not a real human, but I'm here to guide you through an exciting journey today. My image was...
Now let's ask it to generate the video. It keeps track of how many credits you have. I think it gives you 20 credits, and each video takes some credits according to the length of the video. It is going to take some time. So the video generation is complete.
Hello and welcome to the GP Tech channel. I'm not a real human, but I'm here to guide you through an exciting journey today. My image was created using MidJourney.
Okay, you can download the video if you want. But you can see that they were able to animate the face using the voice, although it still looks robotic. But I think it's pretty good. And it's a free tool, so that's always nice. I hope you liked the video. If you want to watch something similar, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.